Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to fix the Steam PayPal bug. Have you ever been in that frustrating situation where you're all set to buy a game on Steam, but your PayPal just refuses to cooperate? You're not alone. Many users face this irritating issue, but don't worry. Today we're going to dive into how you can fix this pesky bug and get back to enjoying your gaming experience without unnecessary delays. First things first, to tackle this problem, you'll need to launch your Steam app. Ensuring that you have a stable internet connection is key here, as an unstable connection can lead to interruptions during the process. Once your Steam app is up and running, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen, where you'll find the login button. Clicking it will bring you to the login page, where you need to enter your account name and password. Now, you might be thinking, logging in, that's pretty basic. But here's the thing, it's essential to confirm that you're accessing the correct account linked to your PayPal. After all, there's nothing more frustrating than trying to solve issues on the wrong account. Once you've entered your credentials, hit that sign in button and you'll find yourself on your Steam homepage. Now that you're successfully logged in, locate your profile name at the top menu. Clicking on it will open a drop-down menu where you'll find the account details option. This is your gateway to making the necessary tweaks to your payment setup. Navigate to the account details page and look for the option to add a payment method to this account. This step is crucial for ensuring that your PayPal account is properly connected to Steam. Select PayPal from the list of payment options. If by chance PayPal is missing from the list, don't panic. Simply double-check your earlier steps or consider logging out and back in, as this could be due to a temporary glitch. Before proceeding, ensure your PayPal account has enough funds for your intended purchase. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's a common oversight. Additionally, make sure your PayPal is fully validated, as an unverified account can lead to payment rejections. If you're using a bank card linked to your PayPal, verify that it's valid and that your bank hasn't declined any transactions. Even if your PayPal account looks fine, a card issue could cause problems. In some cases, you may need to transfer funds manually from your bank account to your PayPal balance. This extra step can help bypass any authorization issues, making for a smoother transaction process. And there you have it. By following these detailed steps, you should be able to resolve any Steam PayPal issues and return to your gaming adventures without further hassle. Don't hesitate to reach out to Steam support for more comprehensive assistance. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you with how to fix the Steam PayPal bug, subscribe to PMN Online for more easy-to-follow tutorials.